I would suggest anybody that's kind of serious about, I guess, not doing the old traditional 2 cups of sugar, not that granulated stuff that your liver just basically coughs up. If you're serious about that, you need to speak to my friend here, Micah Glass and Stone and Whisk. You can cater to that,
I'm trying.
to the special orders. Okay, Kwan, what do we, Micah? What do we got here?
All right. So this was a recipe that I developed for my general contractor. So they've been taking really good care of me since I bought this house.
Okay.
And I wanted to give them something. I'm pretty sure this was for them.
Okay.
But it is a Tres Leches cupcake that I cored out the center and made an apple pie filling. So it's Tres Leches stuffed with apple pie filling, and then a stabilized whipped cream on top with a sea salt caramel drizzle and a pastry crisp on top.
Oh, you're ready for next level baker.
I love this stuff so much.
You are passionate about this stuff. What do we got here?